Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judy and today's topic is deep and real. Stop wasting your life. We live in a world where people wake up, scroll through social media for hours, complain about life, and go to bed feeling empty day after day. But life is too short to be wasted. Every second you spend doubting yourself, envying others, or living without purpose is a second you will never get back. So today I want to speak directly to your heart because this message might just save your destiny. Understanding time and purpose. Let me ask you a question. What are you doing with your time? Because the truth is, time is life. Every minute that passes is a piece of your existence you will never regain. We waste time thinking we will always have tomorrow, but tomorrow is not promised. We were not created to exist. You are created to make an impact. You can't live fully when you don't know why you are living. Purpose gives direction. It gives meaning to your pain, to your struggles, and even to your waiting season. So before you waste another year, stop and ask, am I living by purpose or by routine? The trap of comparison. So many people are wasting their lives comparing themselves to others. You scroll through your phone, see someone's success, and start doubting your own journey. Comparison kills contentment. It steals joy and paralyzes your progress. You see what you call delay might be divine preparation. God might be training you quietly while He's showcasing others publicly. To everything there is a season. Your season will come, but only if you don't waste this one. Stop comparing, start building. At the cost of distraction. Distraction is one of the biggest life wasters of our generation. Phones, gossip, TV, drama, they all steal your focus. Every time you say, I'll do it later, you are giving your dream permission to die slowly. You have placed purposeful living with mindless scrolling. Ask yourself, how many hours have you spent this week doing things that won't matter next year? Focus is the new superpower. If you can control your attention, you can change your destiny. Facing your fears. Many people waste their lives because they are afraid. Afraid to fail, afraid to start, afraid of what people will say. But fear is a liar. The moment you decide to act, courage grows. Don't let fear write your story. Don't let insecurity decide your future. God says, not given us a spirit of fear, but of power love, and sound mind. You are equipped, you are capable, you are ready, you just have to start. Toxic comfort zones. A comfort zones feel safe, but they slowly destroy you. You can't grow where you refuse to stretch. Many people are wasting their lives because they won't take risks. They settle, they say, at least I'm comfortable. But comfort is the silent killer of dreams. You are not created to survive. You are created to thrive. So get uncomfortable. Start learning, growing, moving. Your future self will thank you. Living with intention. When you live with intention, every day becomes meaningful. You wake up knowing why you are doing what you're doing. Here is how to stop wasting your life starting today. Write down what matters most to you. Choose your priorities: health, faith, purpose, family. Remove what drains you: toxic people, bad habits, wasted time. Add what fuels you: prayer, books, peace, and purpose. Every small, intentional choice creates a big difference over time. My friend, your life is a gift. You don't have time to live in regret, destruction, or fear. You are created to shine, to make an impact. So stop wasting your life on things that don't matter. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Start now. Because every day you wake up is another chance to become who God designed you to be. God says, be careful how you live, making the most of every opportunity, because the days are evil. So choose wisely, live intentionally, and remember, your future begins the moment you stop wasting your present. Thank you so much for watching. If this message blessed you, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay faithful, stay focused, and don't waste your life. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.